All right, for your Magnalatch V3, I want to show you your knob replacement options that we offer for it. So what you have here is essentially a brand new knob. Most of you will not have knobs that that look this nice, but for the most part, I'm going to recommend everybody go up to the complete replacement knob. But if you have a brand new one, you can purchase the knob cover. And that is a snap fit design, designed to go over your existing knob, and it snap fits in place just like that. You do not need to use a screw. You certainly can use a screw if you want to secure this on, but it should stay without a screw. So for a situation where you have a knob that may not look this nice, so for instance, a knob like this, it's not going to work. So I'd really recommend that you upgrade to the complete replacement knob. So it's going to basically replace your knobs that look like this. If you have bad squirrel problems, this knob is also adaptable. So you can take the screw out here and put this knob on top. Again, snap fit, and we have a longer screw that goes in here to secure this. So this is certainly going to be more rugged than the regular knob. So this is the original, and this is the replacement with the knob cover on top of it. And those are the options for Magnalatch V3.